Hey guys, my name is Chris and today we're going to be reviewing the Vantrue N4 triple channel dash cam. That's right, 3 cameras. We have one in the front that's filming at 1440p, and we have a cabin and a rear filming in 1080p. Let's dive in. Let's start off with what comes in the box. First, you get the main unit of the dash cam. From the product pictures, I thought it would be much bigger, but it's actually fairly small and fits nicely in the hand. You'll get some of the manuals and instructions, which are actually pretty helpful for the minor details. The rear camera with some adhesive tape, a 20-foot extension cable that runs to the rear unit. We also have the car charger with a 11.4-foot USB Type-C cable, the suction cup mount, and a USB Type-C data cable. We don't use that much. Mounting this dash cam is easier than I made it look in this video clip. All you have to do is apply strong pressure to the suction cup while twisting that tab to the right. I've had no problems with it slipping or falling. Just be sure you apply pressure. Taking it off is just the reverse. Speaking on the placement of the dash cam, I originally was going to have it beneath the rear view mirror, but the placement wasn't optimal as I couldn't see the screen, so I opted to put it to the right of my mirror, which is pretty close to the passenger side. Moving to the dash cam, this view here with the 3 angles is what you would see on the dash cam screen itself. There's a button on the top where you can cycle between the different views. I recommend leaving the front as the main view as it's a little distracting if you have the cabin view on. As far as image quality, I'm pleasantly surprised. I wasn't sure how good of quality you would get with such a small camera. Quality is generally good here, but you could see that the white balance kept shifting as I was driving, and also wearing a striped shirt was a bad filming choice. Otherwise, the quality was sharp, maybe even too sharp, but everything was clear and met my expectations. In the evening, it performed pretty well considering the low light. I apologize for the camera not being centered. I think I was messing around with the settings. The front camera field of vision is at 155 degrees, which is about normal, but I would like to see it a bit wider if possible. We took a drive to Mount Hamilton to see Comet Neowise, and that was perfect for some nighttime footage. The front and cabin cameras performed really well, but the backup camera held up as best it could. Here, I enable parking mode, which automatically records for at least 10 seconds if it detects motion and you're away from your car. I wanted to test how sensitive it would be to movement, so the first test here is me walking in front of the camera at a close range, and the second clip is at a medium range. I found it to be very sensitive, which is what you want in a parking mode feature. Note that you'll have to supply the camera with power at all times if you want parking mode to be enabled. Look up hardwiring. In conclusion, is it worth it? If you're somebody who drives Uber or Lyft, then this is a must just for the cabin camera. If you spend lots of time in your car commuting, traveling, or just heavily depend on your car, then you probably should get some sort of dash cam coverage. And if you are a casual driver, this may be a little bit overkill, but you shouldn't rely on the insurance company backing you up if you ever get in an accident. That's the end of my review. Leave a comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Until next time.